Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by saving and backing up your project immediately. You need a safe restore point. Next, verify engine build, plugins, and the exact crash log location so you know what to inspect. Make sure disk space is available and the editor isn't competing with other heavy processes. Once done, disable antivirus and close unused software. This prevents file locks and false positives. Now launch the editor with a clean project and the crash reproduction steps ready to execute. Now you diagnose. Open the saved /logs folder and read the most recent crash report to find the module and stack trace. Enable debugging symbols and relaunch with the log flag for detailed output. This shows the call path and error codes. If the trace implicates plugins or assets, disable third-party plugins and test in a fresh project to isolate. Once isolated, reproduce the crash step-by-step while monitoring memory, GPU usage, and engine assertions to confirm the root cause. Apply the fix according to the diagnosis. Update engine or GPU drivers, remove or repair corrupted assets, or patch the offending plugin source code. Then rebuild fully. Clean intermediate files, regenerate project files, and recompile the editor and game modules so changes take effect. After that, reproduce the original crash steps multiple times and confirm stability under varied loads. If it still fails, consult the crash stack for new clues. Make sure to keep an autosave-enabled rollback plan for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.